Hello, my name is Jeff Barwick. I'm the proprietor and the owner of Promised Land Inn Bar Restaurant, across from Promised Land State Park. Definitely a strong hunting background up here, big fishing background. The park has two huge lakes. You have Lake Wallenpaupack right down the road. So we're serving dishes that aren't traditionally available at a normal bar restaurant, such as the elk meatloaf. That's a huge seller. It's half Angus beef and it's half Wyoming elk. We have a house-made veal demi that we boil the bones down for 3 days to make it. Serve with that on top of it as a juice. I'm a big hunter myself. I hunt in Wyoming. I'm an elk hunter. And when I had the elk meatloaf in Wyoming, I said, wow, I got to bring something like that back here. We duplicated that here. We have our version of the Philly cheesesteak. It's called Eagles Knows Best. For the Philadelphia Eagles, we use choice ribeye. We shave it ourselves. It's not pre-packaged. Those are very big sellers here. We have a homemade chicken noodle soup that's to die for. That's a staple. The Adirondacks, the hunting community. It's comparable to something that somebody's grandma would make. We want to be a rustic, Adirondack-style, warm, welcoming place. The bartender knows your name. We want to hear about their stories. We want to talk to them about what they've done during the week. That's the vibe we want. That's how we get repetitive business.